Hi guys, welcome to Royal Logos. It's my pleasure to have you here, and I really hope that you all are doing well. In today's video, I will demonstrate you that how can we extract a logo design idea for a website that is providing green foods. So without wasting any time, let's continue with the client's brief. So the client says that I need a logo design for a website based on green foods. The new website is called Green Eats. I would like a certain vibrancy to the logo. It should have a real feel of culinary to it, with a touch of nature or something that represents green and healthy foods. I like examples on a white background. It will be predominantly on a white background, although it may overlay on photos, so obviously we'll need the different color formats which you would send in the design files. I need it to be simple and classy. Colors are flexible, but the website is going to be minimalist and on white. Although obviously I need versions that would lay over images. Now the major points that I extracted from this brief is the name of the website or the name of the logo, which is Green Eats. And the second one is that the logo should represent certain vibrancy and it should have a feeling of culinary, and also it should represent green and healthy foods. Now to design our logo, let's continue with the mind mapping process. And I have decided to design the logo on the basis of these two major points: culinary and green foods. To represent culinary, we can use different elements like chef hat, a spoon, a knife, a fork, cooking pan, or anything that is relevant to cooking. And to represent green foods, we can also use different vegetables or different elements like green beans, cabbage, arugula, or to make our logo more simplistic and minimalist, we can use elements like leaves and trees. So I decided to continue with the combination of a fork and leaves. And after sketching different designs, this was the finalized version. Now let's break down this one into different parts to understand the background logic. Now this part represents the fork to represent culinary, and this part represents the leaves to represent the green foods. And if you want to design this logo yourself, then this is the basic geometry. And this is for today's video. If you think that this video helps you in some way, then like and subscribe the channel. Also follow and like our Behance portfolio. Link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.